How to add someone to a group text in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Adding more people in a group text is quite simple. Firstly, open messages on your device. A lot of social media platform allows you to easily create a group. However, iPhone's inbuilt messaging app, also known as iMessage, makes it much safer to chat as it is less prone to be hacked. Make sure you have enabled iMessage on your device. And now select the group you wanted to add more people to. Now, tap on the people icon you see on the top center of your screen. You will see all the group info there and be able to make further changes to the group. Tap on the people option again and you will see all the group members in here. You will see the add contact option now. Tap on that and now go ahead and type in the names of the people you want to add. Make sure that you will be able to add only the people who have iMessage enabled in their devices. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.